It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas at Paper Flourish. Welcome back to the next Paper Flourish craft video. Quick one today, but I wanted to let you know about, well, this is one of the kits that's come out at Paper Flourish for our Christmas card kits, but we have so many in store at the moment. Be quick though, because they are flying out the door. There's a beautiful one with cute little dogs called Snuggly Christmas. 'Tis the season. Oh, wait till you see the card designs there. They're beautiful and very nice traditional Christmas papers, but stunning different cards. We've got some using the lovely Minte Merry Little Christmas collection. Ruth's done a stunning set called Fancy Christmas. I'm pretty sure that one's called. And then there's Candy Christmas cards, which is one of the new ones that's coming out. So I wanted to show you this one today. If you're looking for our card kits, if you're in store at Paper Flourish, you'll find them on the Christmas gondolas. But if you are looking online, look under My Happy Place. And that is where our kits are, not only cards, albums, lots of different things. So that's where you'll find these brilliant card kits. So I wanted to show you the cards that's in this one, the kit. You get in your kit, you get your card stock for your card bases, you get your coloured card stock. You've got your pink, green and blue. You get the pattern papers, which are really sweet. They're beautiful, cute little images in this kit. You also get a packet of the rhinestones to add your little sparkly bits onto the cards, and the sentiments as well are included in the pack. So I wanted to give you a quick look at these cards that make up this pack. So they said this is for sale now at store. First card, a little one, very easy to follow. You have full instructions and photos as well in the pack. I'll pop them out on here, but 12 cards. That is a really good start to your Christmas cards this year. Hopefully you might have had a chance to start them. If not, Paper Flourish is the place to come to pick up those card packs. You'll have them done in no time at all. Pretty, aren't they? Beautiful paper. Really, really sweet. There we go. As I said, our Christmas card packs are really, really popular in store. So if you're thinking about coming in and collecting one, be quick. Here we go. You can see the little sparklies on it. They're really sweet. All right, couple more. 12 cards. I'll tell you what, make these. You'll be 12 ahead of me. I haven't started mine yet. And this one. The cute cards. Come in and check out the packs or have a look online. But as I said, don't be quick, because they are selling really, really fast. But really stunning packs out at Paper Flourish. Have a great day, everyone. I apologise for my singing. You probably say, please don't ever do that again, Julie. Have a great night, everyone, or great day, whatever you're doing, and I will be back again soon with more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.